Our first stage was sensitization. The process was planning. The strategy, planning learning task. And the technique, setting goals. If is the condition. Now, for a condition, we need to have a cause and an effect. Causa y efecto. So in English we have actually three conditions. Okay, we have three conditions: conditional 1, 2, and 3. Why 0? It always gonna happen in the same way, even if we know the result. Stage sensitization process, planning. The strategy was problem identification. The technique is identifying the central point needing resolution in the task. I dropped my pen, it falls. You put ice. If you put ice on fire, it melts. It melts. Stage sensitization process, affective strategy, self-reinforcement technique, identifying the central point needing resolution in a task. This is a natural law. That's the condition of 0. If I fail, my father is going to punish me. Because it's true, present. If I pass the exam, my father congratulates me. So that's action, reaction. Stage sensitization process, social strategy, questioning for clarification, technique, asking for verification. I know that this result exists. That's why I have it in simple present. Is that clear, guys? Do you understand that? Any questions? Yes. Okay. All right, let's do this exercise. Stage acquisition, process, comprehension, strategy, selective attention, technique, matching. If children study, si los niños estudian, if children study, what happens? ¿Qué pasa? What happens? They understand, okay? Or they pass the test. Is that clear? If the children study, they pass the test. Is that clear? Do you understand that? Yes, okay, good. Let's go. Let's go to the next one. If babies are hungry, what happens? They cry. Yes, very good. Look at this baby. Okay, so if babies are hungry, they cry. Very good. Next one. If you study hard, what happens? If you study hard, you get, okay, you pass the exam or you get good grades. You get good grades, okay? All right. So if you don't study, what happens? Next one says, if she does exercise, what happens if she does exercise? She has a good body or she has a good fit. She fits. Stage acquisition, process, retention, strategy, memorization, techniques, both. Placing your words in context and reviewing. Okay, she has a good body. I like it. If she does exercise. If you eat too much hamburgers, what happens? You get fat, right? Well, actually, here's too much hamburger or too many hamburgers. Okay, all right, so let's go to the next one. If you heat water to 100 degrees, what happens? It boils. It boils, ¿de acuerdo? Hierve el agua, it boils. Okay, all right, next. If you mix red and yellow, what happens? No. Red and yellow? Stage acquisition, process construction, strategy, analysis, technique, introducing meanings and rules from context. No, red and yellow, you get orange. Here it is, red and yellow, you get orange. Okay, now, what happens if you smoke? You get old early. you get old. If you smoke, you get old, right? Okay, if it rains, si llueve, if it rains, what happens? Uh, you can go home. Okay, the grass gets wet. Aquí le vamos a poner. Okay, the grass gets wet. And then if you touch fire, what happens? You get burned. You get burned. You get burned, right? All right. And then if she sleeps well, well, she rests. Es un ejemplo. She rests. All right. And then if you hit ice, it melts. And then finally, if I run, I get tired. If I run, I get tired. And finally, if you freeze water, what happens? It turns into ice. Okay, is that clear? It makes clear. It's good. Yes, tell me. No. I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share this presentation to how do you say? I'm going to share this presentation to Classroom because I need you. Yes, because I need you to understand more. Because the next topic is going to be conditional number 1. This is conditional 0. Stage acquisition, process transforming, strategy inferencing, technique applying rules and meaning deductively. We're going to do an activity. No se duda. Any questions? More questions? If it rains, alguien decía, I get wet, right? I get wet. No, I use an umbrella. I use an umbrella. Yes. 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 Okay. Very good. Okay, people. So we're going to do an activity. And I need you to play with me. Post the link, and then you're gonna click. You're gonna click on the link, and you're going to participate. Just let me get this. Thank you so much. Stage automatization, process transfer, strategy, high-level transfer, technique, applying knowledge to different tasks, free practice. All right, so let's begin. Let's practice this. Listos. El que se quedó afuera, ni modos. I'm sorry. Se queda sin su asistencia. I'm sorry. Let's begin. First round. Okay. Okay, so these are your masks. Okay? Let's begin. Let's play, or let's review. Okay. Very good. Unicorns. Continue. Giraffes are winning. Yes. No. If you get one mistake, you have to start again. You start again. Sea dragons versus giraffes. Look at this competition. Giraffes, what happened? Very good, Emmanuel. Thank you so much for watching. The topic was zero conditional. The focus group was third level of English, and the school was Prepa Militarizada. Thank you.